Ashiki was very, very close to me because of the kind of character, the kind of experience I had on that film. It was a very, very life-changing experience for me.
मुझे याद है जब आदित्य आया था वो एक लूज शर्ट और शॉर्ट्स और चप्पल में आया था और जब मैं उससे बात कर रहा था वो सुन तो रहा था पर सोचते सोचते हुए मेरे रिवॉल्विंग चेयर पे गोल गोल घूम रहा था और मुझे लगता है मेरे असिस्टेंट ऐसे उसको देख रहे थे कि ये क्या लड़का है, ये क्या कर रहा है, वो कुछ और ही सोच रहा था. ही वाज इन अ डिफरेंट मूड एंड आई फेल्ट दिस इज द राइट गाय टू बी इन माय फिल्म.
मोहित ने हमसे पूछा नहीं था, उसने हमसे कहा था कि ये हमारी चॉइस है. और जब फिल्म मेकर जो होता है, डायरेक्टर, जब इतनी कन्विक्शन के साथ में किसी का नाम लेता है तो यकीनन उसको कुछ नज़र आया है उस शख्स में.
As far as his personality is concerned, he was suiting the character.
He was able to communicate things with expression, with his tone of voice.
मैं पूछती थी उनसे कि शूट कैसा चल रहा है तो he used to say yeah it's going on. बहुत ही easily कहते थे कि हाँ it's going on well. तो अंदाज़ा ही नहीं था कि किस तरह की फिल्म होगी, कि उनके परफॉर्मेंस में इतना दम होगा.
Shraddha, she worked very hard, and I was the first one to tell her कि the most difficult role was not yours. The most difficult role was Aditya's. आदित्य रॉय कपूर और तुम सारा मीडिया में खा रही हो, बट जो परफॉर्मेंस उस लड़के ने की है, you see how it grows slowly and he's the next star of, and that is what happened.
I was really moved by his performance. मैं बाहर आके रोई थी and I said for the first time someone I know went on to become an actor.
आशिकी 2 आदित्य के लिए एक बेहद स्पेशल चांस था. उनकी पहली तीनों मूवीज थी एंसेंबल कास्ट मूवीज, जिनमें उन्होंने स्क्रीन शेयर की थी बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार्स के साथ, और तीनों ही मूवीज थी बॉक्स ऑफिस डड्स. बट दिस वाज हिज फर्स्ट सोलो आउटिंग.
We kept saying, okay, if it does so much, we're happy. Okay, now it's done so much. Now if it does so much, we're happy. Now it kept going. It didn't stop only. So it's been an amazing thing to see how this film has just like connected with people.
It's not easy at this age playing a role of that sort. It requires a certain amount of emotional depth and understanding of people. And I think he really carried it off beautifully.
Siddharth, of course, because he knows numbers and he knows what's going on. He called me and said, listen, it's doing well.
From the time the first song promo Tum Hi Ho came on, there was a really positive feeling about the film, and that continued into the collection.
Things had to look positive क्योंकि आदित्य ने इस मूवी के लिए कुछ कम प्रेपरेशन नहीं की थी.
First day पे जल्दी से पैकअप हो गया and Mohit shouted at me, said, go back and sing in front of the mirror, do what it takes, but you have to get it right tomorrow. So I think that's the only time कि Cape Town में I went back to the room and I sang and all in front of the mirror to see how it looks.
It was very entertaining to see Aditya lip sync his first song. My God, how much I have laughed.
डाउन टू अर्थ आदित्य के लिए ये न्यू फाउंड स्टारडम भी कुछ कम चैलेंजिंग नहीं था. विद ग्रेट फैन फॉलोइंग कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज.
We really like him. He's very sweet and he's very hot. He's very cute. I love him because he's super cute. He's a mixture of cute and hot. He shows emotion, comedy, cuteness, everything together.
He doesn't look fake. He looks like a real person.
First he was in supporting roles and now he's leading in many films. So I think that's quite a big thing.
Romantic roles suit you really well, but action movie is something that we would want to see you in. He is surely going to be one of the most wanted actors for all the girls. You want to kiss you?
I think मुझे सीखना पड़ेगा because I don't know exactly how to deal with it. Like for example, I went to Dubai. लोग चिल्ला रहे थे Ranbir of course has been doing this for many years now. He's very used to it. So of course he went and he shook their hand and he said hi. You have to make them feel like, you know, you give them some affection, yeah. You don't, and I'm very much like, you know, I don't know what to do. So he was like, you idiot, you learn something.
I speak to him 4-5 times a day. Okay, what are you wearing? Shave, you know, wear shoes, you know, answer properly, be present. So he's like a younger brother to me now. You know, I love him so much.
I'm not doing very well at it right now. I need to learn. My mom was like, Aditya, this is very bad. You have to show them that you can all this. So yeah, I'm learning.
एक तरफ आज आदित्य के पास है उनके करोड़ों फैंस का सपोर्ट, वहीं मुश्किल से मुश्किल टाइम के लिए उनके पास है उनकी फैमिली का जबरदस्त सपोर्ट.
My parents are, of course, everything to me in this world, like how they are for everyone else, and they've brought us up in a very secular way where we've been given the freedom to believe in what we want to believe in, do in what we want to do. They also never imagined that I would be doing this today, in a certain sense. They were okay with me doing anything. I said for a phase, I felt like कि मुझे abroad जाके I think psychology पढ़ना है, and then they were fine with that. And I said कि मुझे musician बनना है, they were fine with that. So they've always given me the freedom. They just said that you have to work hard and give it your best.
We had a really great childhood. There are many years that separate all of us. So there's 5 years between Kunal and me, and there's 11 years between Aditya and me. And especially with Aditya, it was almost like being a mini father to him in a sense. So we have a really great friendship, and we're very, very close.
I've always looked up to them in general, and when it comes to like the performances that Kunal has given on stage, some of them are unbelievable. So like, just as a young guy looking at him, like of course you look up to your brother.
मगर आदित्य ने कुणाल को परेशान भी कम नहीं किया.
Kunal was 6 years older than me, and he had a full cool bunch that he used to hang out with. They used to go in the gypsy around the building and all.
बस बिल्डिंग के दोस्त थे, पर जो छोटे भाई का पर्सपेक्टिव है वो लगता है कि अरे ये बड़े भाई के दोस्त क्या कितने कूल है, गाड़ी में जाते हैं, ये वो करते हैं. But actually it was like anyone growing up.
I used to basically run after him and his friends and ask them for money because I wanted to go and eat bhutta or some Frankie or something. So I used to constantly be that small irritating brother that comes and troubles you when you're with your friends.
I thankfully got away because frankly my friends just treated him like a baby, and which is what he was.
पर आज के मैच्योर आदित्य के पीछे छिपा है एक नॉटी टीनेजर.
I had another friend of mine who both of us used to just like bunk school and play the whole day and all that. And there were of course some girls which we were infatuated with. I remember for 1 week, me and my friend, we followed these two girls. Wherever they used to go, like 50 meters behind them, we used to just walk. Like, but it was like we were stalkers. Of course, half their age. But finally, one day they turned around and said, "What are you doing? And why are you following us?" And I think they gave us a little bit of a beating. And then from that day, we stopped following those two girls.
सिर्फ अपने भाइयों की लाइफ में ही नहीं, स्कूल में भी आदित्य नाम की सुनामी ने बड़े तूफान लाए हैं.
I was a crazy kid. I used to wake up at 4 in the morning and watch cartoons. And at 7 o'clock, I used to get a stomach ache. And at 9 o'clock, I used to be fine. And then I used to run down without my chappals and go and jump in the garden. And so I was a very mad child till my 6th standard, where I failed my 6th standard, which was a very tough thing to do.
सिद्धार्थ actually set the standard, you know, वो head boy थे स्कूल के, वो you know हमेशा क्लास में first या second आते थे. I was sort of middle of the road, you know, मैं 40 के क्लास में मैं समझो I was 30th or 35th in class. Aditya was the proper backbencher.
At one point in the 9th standard, because I was such a backbencher, the teacher made me and my friend sit on the front bench and to make just so कि तुम लोग मतलब पीछे बैठ के we don't know what you do, you sit in front of me.
बोर्ड एग्जाम में 68% स्कोर करके खुद को ही नहीं सबको शॉक करने वाले आदित्य की मस्ती चलती रही और इसकी वजह से ही वाज ड्रॉप्ड आउट ऑफ सेंट जेवियर्स और उन्होंने फिर बैंड्रा के कॉलेज में अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट की. रिबेलियस आदित्य ने कॉलेज में अपना रॉक बैंड भी बना के कॉलेज सर्किट में रॉक करना शुरू कर दिया था.
स्कूल के बाद जो एक रिबेलियस आई थिंक ट्रेट जो होती है ना, बिकॉज वी डोंट गेट टू ग्रो इन स्कूल, तो आई जस्ट ग्रू इट आउट एंड I was a fan of Jim Morrison and Bob Marley, and I thought I was a hippie and all of that. So that's why I grew it out. I became the singer, and I used to play a little guitar. So it was a great phase in life. We all started enjoying ourselves, to put it mildly. My first dialogue in Hindi film in my life was to shout at Mr. Salman Khan. So it was not easy at all.
कॉलेज के मस्तीबाज नंबर 1 आदित्य ने ऑडिशन दिया वीजेइंग के लिए और अपने कूल ब्रैटिट्यूड की वजह से वहां भी हो गया उनका सिलेक्शन.
I was actually very apprehensive. मैं सोचा कि how am I going to be a VJ? What is all this VJ? Like I don't know how. In fact, it was my mom and my dad who said, who kicked me on my ass and said, now go and do some work because you're not doing anything. And this will be good for you. And thank God that they did that because it was a great experience.
वो कुछ 18 साल का था, 18 maybe 19 साल का था when this offer came to him.
जब मैं विजय था तो लोग बोल रहे थे कि यार तू तो अब एक्टर ही बनेगा ना, क्योंकि लोग सोचते हैं कि anyone who's a VJ or a model or anything सबको एक्टर ही बनना है. तो I was like नहीं यार, एक कॉल आया लंडन ड्रीम्स के लिए from Amita Sehgal, who's a very senior casting lady. I think the reason why I'm in films today in many ways.
Just so happened I happened to open a magazine and वहाँ एक आदित्य का picture था with shorter hair. And I just loved the smile and I liked his body attitude and I asked for him to come. तो उसने जब विपुल के ऑफिस में आए हम दोनों उनको देख के कहा this is our guy.
There was a certain amount of masti in him. एक innocence है चेहरे पे and there is something very cute and likable about him, which I think was his USP, which is his USP even now.
So I gave the audition और विपुल सर ने बोला कि लंडन ड्रीम्स बना रहे एक गिटारिस्ट का रोल है, तो आई गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि मैं गिटार प्ले करता हूँ एंड आई सिंग सॉन्ग्स. आई सेड कूल है, आई प्ले गिटार. तो हम लंदन में शूट कर रहे हैं. So I said wow, I've never been to London. And then Salman bhai and Ajay sir and Asin in the cast. So I said wow, yeah, this sounds like fun. So I said कि चलो, I'm on. And that experience actually got the ball rolling and that's when I realized कि this is a fun, it's a good profession.
अक्सर डेस्टिनी इंसान को वहां ले जाती है जहां जाने का उसने सोचा भी नहीं होता.
My first dialogue in Hindi film in my life was to shout at Mr. Salman Khan. So it was not easy at all. You know, you start with an easy scene. I actually had to shout at him and like tell his character ki, you know, you're this, you're that, you've done something wrong. So it was very tough for me when you have Salman Khan looking back at you. But he made it easy for me. He closed his eyes and he said, okay, say it now.
लंदन ड्रीम्स ने भले बॉक्स ऑफिस पर कोई मैजिक क्रिएट नहीं किया, मगर आदित्य का चार्म चल चुका था डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर विपुल शाह पर और उन्होंने ऑलरेडी बना लिए थे आदित्य को लेकर कुछ प्लान्स.
While I was working with him, I decided that I'll take him in Action Replay as the lead with Akshay. Last day's shoot, he got emotional and he touched my feet and he had tears in his eyes and he said, "Sir, I couldn't have expected anything better." And I told him there's something much better coming your way, so don't worry about it.
You know what happened is that after London Dreams, Action Replay and Guzarish happened so fast that there wasn't like a 6-month period to like chill and do anything. I think 2 महीने के लिए I took dance, little bit of dance I did and little Hindi diction which helped me a lot. But other than that there was no acting that I've ever done.
आदित्य ने शुरू किया एक्टिंग में इंटरेस्ट लेना, but he took every step very cautiously.
सिद्धार्थ कुणाल दोनों से पूछता हूँ क्योंकि आई थिंक दोनों अलग पर्सपेक्टिव देते हैं. एक तो एक प्रोड्यूसर की पर्सपेक्टिव है एंड वन इज अ डायरेक्टर कम एक्टर कम एवरीथिंग which is Kunal.
We chat about you know, whatever work is coming his way, or we chat about the films that we watch, or but I think that ultimately all the decisions he takes are his own.
He lives his life so spontaneously and that's great. That's something I actually admire quite a bit at times because he's able to take decisions that involve a high element of risk and just take them because he just decides that that's something that he wants to do.
I took some calls where everyone told me that I was silly to not do some things. Everyone said ki yaar, just do it, keep working, it's important, this is a good opportunity.
बट उन्होंने सुनी अपने दिल की और चूज किया हमेशा की तरह खुद अपना रास्ता एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू कीप वर्किंग पेशेंटली और साइन की वो मूवीज जो उन्हें पसंद आई.
I decided to do Ye Jawani first. Ayan called me and I read the script and I found it very interesting. So I went with that. And it's actually because of that I think Mohit heard that I was doing that. He saw some pictures from that shoot. And it's because I was doing that film that I got this film.
ये जवानी है दीवानी में जहां एक तरफ स्नोई रीजन्स में शूट करने की डिफिकल्टीज थी, वहीं आदित्य के लिए अपने भाई कुणाल के साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करने का एक्साइटमेंट भी था.
Everyone is like, yeah, it's so tough, but silently वो घर जाके, you know, they tell all their friends, you know, I shot in Kashmir, I shot on a mountain and all. It's very cool, you know, you feel very like, this is what I've done and all. So quietly, everyone was happy that they were doing it. It's like a story to tell, you know.
We were both a little conscious, but finally, you know, after a couple of takes, we actually broke the acting ice, so to speak.
To act with him was a surreal experience only. It was a great thing that Ayan got both of us together in that thing. I think it was a good call on her part to not like me.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू जेन नेक्स्ट, जहां हमारे साथ हैं द फ्यूचर ऑफ बॉलीवुड आदित्य रॉय कपूर। आदित्य जिनको एक्टिंग और नौटीगिरी के साथ साथ प्यार है बढ़िया खाने से।
I grew up with two elder brothers, you know. So you're sitting at the table and these two guys are bigger than you, but they're eating more than you. So I think that the whole competition of wanting to match up to how much they are eating, I think from a very young age I wanted to. You ask anyone I've shot with, they'll tell you now how much I eat. Omelette बहुत अच्छा बना लेता हूँ. Omelette और coffee. These are my specialities. I'm still working on the fried egg. देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है उसका.
दो आदित्य अब बन चुके हैं रोमांटिक मूवीज का फेस, बट उनकी माने तो वो खुद जरा भी रोमांटिक नहीं है।
I was madly in love in the 6th standard with one girl, and every day I used to call and ask her the homework. What a stupid thing for anyone to do, yaar. So I think I think it was a good call on her part to not like me. True love, I don't know what all this, yaar. But I guess I'm not very romantic. It's not like I'm like, you know, on a birthday or like Valentine's Day, I won't come with flowers and do that whole thing. I guess I show my affection in different ways.
He's very loving. वो ज़्यादा दिखाते नहीं हैं, but you know, he's very caring. So I feel very touched by some of his gestures.
अपने दिल की सुनने वाले आदित्य ने जब पहली बाइक खरीदी तो उन्हें बाइक चलानी भी नहीं आती थी। कंपल्सिव, ट्रांसपेरेंट और मस्तीबाज आदित्य को अजीब चीजें कलेक्ट करने का भी शौक है।
I used to collect matchboxes, yeah. But now I've stopped collecting matchboxes. I don't know why. That is one thing I used to collect, and I like chappals. I like nice chappals, so I wear a lot of chappals.
ट्रैवलिंग के शौकीन आदित्य अक्सर निकल जाते हैं लंबी ट्रिप्स पर, और इन ट्रिप्स में वो हॉस्टल्स और रूम शेयरिंग करना पसंद करते हैं ताकि वो नए नए लोगों से मिल सके। शायद इसीलिए उनके कैरेक्टर्स भी आम इंसानों जैसे होते हैं। बट आखिर उनका ड्रीम रोल क्या है?
I would love to play a villain. That would be really fun to do if I could pull that off. That would be amazing to play a hardcore villain. Or you know, something like Amir's role in Rangila. I really love that. That kind of space is something that I would really enjoy getting into. I love rock music. I've always listened to rock music. I sing okay. I think I need some classes to open up some part of my voice, but I think I'm a decent singer.
आज अपनी सक्सेस के साथ साथ अपनी चार्मिंग, हैप्पी गो लकी पर्सनालिटी की वजह से आदित्य बन चुके हैं बॉलीवुड में मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर जेन नेक्स्ट स्टार। He indeed is the future of Bollywood. We wish Aditya all the best.